This is why you can build great products with massive customer value, but still fail to get any adoption. The secret lies in understanding the deep psychology that drives customer buying patterns for vitamins versus painkillers. Hey, my name's Akash. If you're new here, I'm the head of product at a startup and coach product managers and founders to build impactful and amazing products and teams. Vitamins have proven long-term benefits, boosting metabolism, immunity, improved cell growth, and reducing deficiencies and other health risks. Painkillers, on the other hand, block pain signals, can alter pain perception, and can even be addictive. So why is it that consumers often prefer painkillers to vitamins? It's because painkillers offer immediate relief and pain reduction versus vitamins, which only offer long-term benefits. Human psychology is focused on dealing with immediate problems and risks and isn't too good about thinking about the long term. So now applying this to the software world, products can be broadly categorized into two buckets: vitamin products and painkiller products. There are some products that exhibit characteristics of both, but we'll get to that in just a bit. Vitamin products, like the subscribe button on this channel, offer long-term benefits for customers, like improving their health or helping make project coordination and collaboration easier. However, these require consistent usage over time before any benefits are seen. That means that they rely heavily on behavior change on the part of the customer. Painkiller products offer quick fixes for customers, like calling for a ride, getting immediate entertainment, or even alerting engineers about breakages in the system. These don't address the root causes of the issue, but offer quick solutions that are aligned with the patterns and behaviors of the customer. So what does all of this mean for product managers? Well, you need to think deeply about what is the problem that you're trying to solve, and are you doing it by using vitamin products or painkiller products? Neither is inherently bad, but the consumption pattern for each is so different that you will need to change your product based on which category and bucket it falls under. Vitamin products need more research and feedback during the R&D phase, employ broader market strategies, and entail longer sales cycles. Painkiller products require faster development and iteration, have marketing focused on a specific pain point, and need a scalable sales process. But remember, I said some products can have characteristics of both, right? Well, take the example of the Google Nest thermostat. It can be easily installed DIY, offering instant temperature adjustment, remote control through your smartphone, and maintenance reminders. At the same time, it's also learning about your activities and habits to optimize your energy usage and reduce your energy bill. So it really does have painkiller and vitamin features. Consumers are more likely to buy it because of its painkiller features, but they're more likely to stick to it and keep using it because of its vitamin characteristics. There's actually tons of examples of products that have been able to build and balance both vitamin and painkiller features over time. Think about Slack, Dropbox, Fitbit, Apple Watch, Spotify, Zoom, and many more. So for your next product, follow these simple steps. 1. Identify what type of product you're building by thinking about the problem that you're solving and the user needs that you're building for. 2. Create an appropriate development plan, long and deep R&D for a vitamin, but quick and iterative R&D for a painkiller. 3. Choose the right success metrics based on the type of product, engagement and long-term retention for vitamins, sales and usage for painkillers. 4. Develop pointed marketing tactics, broad and benefit-based positioning for vitamins, specific and problem-solving based for painkillers. And 5th, build a prioritized roadmap. Over time, try to incorporate both vitamin and painkiller kind of features into the product for maximum impact. Check out this video next that will walk you through the 6 types of product managers and how their skills and salaries differ. See you in the next one.